everybody. Martika here, and Happy New Year. We have made it to 2024, and let me tell you, we are truly blessed. For me and for quite a few people I know, and probably for you too, 2023 was a little rough, but we made it. So we are moving on. We are moving forward, and I am just sitting here doing some plans for the month of January. Some I have started, some I will be starting, but I definitely wanted to share that with you guys. So let's talk about first what did not happen in 2023, what I had planned to happen. So for the first thing, I did not do as many sew-alongs as I had planned to do. As a matter of fact, I finally got the one up that I had promised. And reason being is because, you guys, for me, it takes a lot of steps, a lot of moving around, a lot of angling the camera and so on and so forth. And it just takes me a very long time, and I don't really enjoy it. So unless it's something really, really simple that I want to show you that have maybe like something different within the pattern, you probably won't see very many sew-alongs from me, if any. One thing I know is there are a lot of people on YouTube and other places that do sew-alongs that do a great job, and maybe I'll think of a different way to do them. But for right now, I'm just sitting that on the back burner. I won't say that I won't ever do it, but it's just not something you're going to see from me anytime soon. The second thing, and yes, I'm looking at my notes down here. Second thing is that my Make 9, remember, I planned that Make 9 did the video and everything for the year of 2023. Well, I made one. Okay. I made one out of my plans for Make 9. So you will not be seeing a Make 9 from me for 2024. It seemed fun and everything, but the things that I chose, I ended up sewing other things that I needed, and it just did not work out for me. The things that I chose, I just didn't really need them as much as I thought that I did at the beginning of the year. So as we go through this year, you will see me sewing a lot of things that I need. You will see me, putting really a different spin on things here. And yeah, that's what didn't happen in 2023. So those are pretty much the biggest two things that did not happen. However, let's talk about January of 2024 right now and what I have planned. First of all, I want to thank you all because for the sewing high end on a budget, you guys made it really worth my while. You made it worth my time. You made it worth all of the work that I put in to put in those 3 parts of sewing high end on a budget, because it does take time. You guys, you encouraged me and you inspired me so much that I actually will do some sprinkles throughout the year of sewing high end on a budget. And my first sprinkle will start here in the month of January, because I am going to be sewing up this month a dupe to the Marc Jacobs tote bag, which is Simplicity 9618. And I'm going to be doing View B. Now, in this tote bag, as you saw the price and everything, I'm going to be making this bag, we're going to say, for under $15, all right? And I'm actually going to show you the fabric that I'm going to be using for this. It is a leather look, a faux leather, so to speak, but it's actually vinyl. And you guys, this is what I'm going to make this bag out of. Yeah. This black vinyl that gives it like a really nice faux leather look. Got somewhat of a shine, and that's okay. But yeah, let me tell you about this fabric. I got 2 yards of it, and I got this from Joann on clearance. And it was $4.99 a yard. So I did pick up 2 yards of that fabric. And I'm pretty excited. When I picked it up, I did know that I was definitely going to be making a bag out of it. Which bag, I do not know. But when I did show the tote bag in the black leather on the Sewing High End on a Budget, I knew that that's something I wanted to do, and I actually need another black bag. I would prefer it to be real leather, but right now we are sewing high end on a budget, and I'm going to show you how this comes out for under $15. And the reason why I say for under $15 is because the pattern itself cost me $1.99. And then I've had the zipper for quite some time, but I also got the zipper on a clearance a while back at Hobby Lobby too. So at the end, when I do that review, you're going to get all the deets on that. So I'm really excited to get that one sewn up for you. So view B, I'm going to tell you how big it is. It is 10 inches high, 13 inches wide, and it's 5 inches in diameter. So this is going to be a really nice size, a perfect size handbag for me to carry every day. And all that's needed is 1 3/4 yards of fabric. So I have that. I told you I got 2 yards of that vinyl. And then I need a 1/2 yard of lining. I'm going to go through my stash. I really haven't decided on which fabric I want to use as a lining. I have quite a few choices, but 9 times out of 10, it's going to be a really pretty print on the inside. So I'm excited to see which one I do figure out. And then I need 2 yards of interfacing. Now I do buy my interfacing on the bolt. I just buy a whole brand new thing of interfacing. So I always have plenty of that. So yeah, that is really my sewing plan for January. Something else I need is like another, like a loungewear set, like a jogging set, something that I can wear around the house, and then something that also looks good in public, you know, if I throw on some tennis shoes or something with it. So I do plan on making something like that. I haven't decided on the pattern that I'm going to use because I'm thinking that I'm going to end up mixing 2 patterns, doing the bottoms from one pattern and the top from another pattern. So you'll be getting the details on that too if I get that made, but I do plan on getting that made because it's something I need. And then last but not least, you guys, and I am truly excited about this one. But before I get into that one, let me just put a plug in here. My Etsy shop is still live. So I will put the link to the description box. If you are looking for something for yourself for the new year, just something to gift yourself with, like a really beautiful sewing mug. You know, we like to drink our coffee and our lattes and our tea, you know, as we sew. That's just something we like to show. Get on over to my shop and get you something. And there's going to be some more mug or cup-like things that I do plan to put up because I personally like ice lattes. So I do want to put up some things that's sewing related, that theme, so that we can have some choices in that too. So I just wanted to put in that plug and let you know that. But let's get back to the exciting news. You guys, my blog is back. I have started it back up. This is something I have been planning to do for a very, very long time. And by the time this video is posted, it is live. Okay, so you can go to martikajmakes.com and you can see that blog that I had put up there. And it's basically talking about ways that sewing is relaxing. I believe it's 10 ways that I put up there that sewing is relaxing. That may not be the title, but it's pretty close to what I did put up there. But it's only one blog up right now. But as the weeks go on, I do plan to put up like one blog a week. Okay, I'm keeping it to where I can handle it, and it's gonna be some pretty, you know, different, exciting titles that you can definitely share with others, especially for those who's interested in sewing, even for those who may just be starting out their sewing journey, and even for you just to go and get some inspo. So definitely go and check that out. But some more things you will see, like I said, you'll see some sewing topics. You will be seeing pattern reviews come up on the blog. So I will be plugging in pattern reviews, even reviews that I share here, so that you have somewhere to go and get some of the different details. Now, I won't say that I'm going to put everything on there, but there will be quite a bit when it comes to reviews on there. There will also be some blogs about my journey as I'm reversing diabetes. As I go along, you guys, this journey is not easy. So just kind of sharing some things that I am doing. A lot of you have asked about, like, what do I eat, things that I do, and things like that. So those are kind of the type of things that I'm going to be sharing in there, just my own personal journey and testimony. I'm not a doctor, so I won't be giving advice, but I will be willing to share with you what I do, and in a form where you can read it and you can also share it out with others. And then just lifestyle stuff, you know, some different things that come to mind. I mean, you may see some things about makeup, you may see something about travel, or you just may see some different things, some things that if I feel like you might be interested in it, or if I'm excited about it or whatever, or feel that I need to share it on my blog, then those are the types of things that you will get to see a little peek into my own life. So yeah, definitely go and check that out. There is not a form up yet for you to subscribe to my email, but that will be coming up later. Right now, just head on over there, support me, and enjoy, and take a look at what I'm putting up there and read. So you guys, that is it. That's it. I am keeping things so simple in the month of January, really in 2024. I have really simplified some things I have let go, some things I have picked back up, like this blog. And we're just keeping it simple. My plan is to just really do things that I enjoy doing, and that helps to live a happy life and keep it really, really low stress to stress free. So let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. Let me know what you're planning to do, especially on your sewing journey in 2024. I would love to read a lot of that. And you guys, if you are new here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. You all who are coming back still with me in this new year, thank you so much. Subscribe, like this video, and I will talk to you in the next one. Have a great one. Bye-bye.